Assalamualaikum 10th class. Today we are starting exercise number 13.2. According to the first question, we have to circumscribe a circle about a triangle ABC with sides AB, BC and CA. The length of side is given as 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Let's take a start. Line segment AB is 6 centimeters. Centimeters long. Note down A, B. Then line segment BC is equal to 3 centimeters long. Adjust the compass at 3 centimeters. Now with center B and radius 3 centimeters, mark an arc. Again with center C and radius 4 centimeters, mark another arc which cuts the previous one at point C. Now according to the given statement, we have a triangle ABC in which AB is 6 centimeters long, BC is 3 centimeters long and AC is 4 centimeters long. Triangle ABC is formed. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 centimeters, BC is equal to 3 centimeters and CA is equal to 4 centimeters. We are required to circumscribe the circle about the triangle ABC. Also to measure its radius. So to find out the center of the circle, we will bisect any two sides of the triangle. I am bisecting line segment AB, opening the legs of the compass more than half of AB. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB step number 1. Draw. Name the perpendicular bisector as LM. Draw LM, line LM, perpendicular, your right bisector of line segment AB. Similarly draw another circle similarly draw another right bisector of another side BC. More than half of BC. Now taking B and C as centers, mark arcs which will intersect each other at 2 points, say P and Q. Now join these 2 points. Both the bisectors intersect each other at a point which is the circumcenter of the circle. is O. We will note down the step. Number 2, draw line PQ perpendicular bisector of line segment BC, comma, intersecting line LM at point O. Now with center O and radius OA or OB or OC, we can draw a circle which will be the required circle. With center O and radius OB or OC or OE, draw a circle which passes through points A, B and C. So the circle is called the circumscribed circle and the center is called circumcenter and the radius of this circle is called circumradius. We will note here. Step number 3, with center O, and radius OA or OB or OC, comma, draw the circle passing through points A, B and C, which are the vertices of the triangle ABC. So our circle is formed. Now we have to measure its radius. With the help of scale, you can measure the distance O to A. It is about 3.4 centimeters. Then measurement OA is equal to measurement OB is equal to measurement OC, which is equal to 3.4 centimeters approximately. Question is complete. Now you can do question number 4 of this exercise on the same pattern. Allah Hafiz till tomorrow.